हाय गाइस। आज मैं आप लोगों के साथ एक नॉर्मल मेकअप लुक शेयर करने वाली हूँ। बेसिकली मैं अभी खुद तैयार हो रही थी तो आई जस्ट थॉट टू शूट इट, तो इसीलिए चलिए तो लेट्स स्टार्ट करते हैं। तो मैंने अपनी स्किन अच्छे से प्रेप एंड कर लिया है, सारा अपना स्किन केयर कर लिया है। तो वी आर जस्ट गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विद मेकअप। तो आई एम स्टार्टिंग ऑफ विद यूजिंग लैक्मे प्राइमर। दिस इज ब्लर परफेक्ट प्राइमर। ये बहुत अच्छा है, आपके पोर्स सारे फिल कर देता है अच्छे से, आपकी स्किन ब्लर आउट कर देता है। आई एम लाइक मैक्सिमम डिपॉजिटिंग इन माई प्रॉब्लम एरियाज एंड रेस्ट आई विल स्प्रेड इट आउट। ओके, अब इसको हम थोड़ा देर सेट होने के लिए छोड़ देते हैं। अगर आप इंस्टेंटली इसके ऊपर कुछ यूज करेंगे देन वो उसके साथ मूव करेगा, तो इसलिए इसको थोड़ा सा सिट होने देते हैं। तब तक हम अपना मूव करते हैं अपने आईज की तरफ। तो टू फिल इन माई आईब्रोज आई एम गोना यूज दिस आईब्रो पाउडर किट फ्रॉम मिनीसो। It looks like this: two shades and one mirror and a brush, which is actually useful. So I am picking the darker shade from this and starting filling my eyebrows. And repeat the same. Alright, and now our primer is also set. So moving forward, start with color correcting my under eyes using this LA Pro Orange Concealer. Just little bit goes long way because it's an orange corrector, so you can go overboard with it very easily. So, and I'm using my finger only to blend this. Okay, color correcting also done. Now I'm gonna use my concealer, that is Maybelline New York Fit Me Concealer in the shade 10 Light. Today I'm not using foundation because I just want to go little light. So I'll use concealer all over my other areas also, wherever I have applied that orange corrector, just to get little bit of coverage. Little bit on our forehead also. Now I'm taking a buffing brush and start blending this. this concealer gives very decent coverage, like medium to full coverage. Now I'm just using this on my eyelids to prime that, and also just to spot concealing wherever I feel like I need little more coverage. Now I'm not dragging it, I'm just pushing it in so that my spot is concealed. This is done. Now I am gonna use powder this face with Fit Me powder only. This is in the shade 120 Classic Ivory. Now I am taking a powder brush like so and dust it all over my face. This compact also gives you extra coverage because as we have not used our foundation, to just to enhance it, and our base is done. Okay, now rest of my face I'll do later. Now I'm gonna start with my eyes, and for my eyes I'm not going like overboard, so I'm gonna take Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette. This is in the shade Rose in the Air. Now I'm taking a blending brush like so and taking this transition shade brown and just put it all over my lids. Just roughly I'm doing because I'm not going for any eye look. Just a hint of color so that it gives depth and dimension to my eyes. Yeah. Okay, to highlight my eyes I am gonna use this kohl from Faces. This is in the shade grey, which has pencil one side and a smudger on the second side. So I'm gonna use this as my eyeliner today. Okay, moving forward, I'm gonna use mascara. This is Maybelline Colossal in the Volume Express in the variant Waterproof. now I'm gonna do my leftover face. For my blush, I'm gonna use this Sugar blush in the shade Peach Peak. I'm taking a brush and it's a nice warm peachy color which gives very natural finish. It's not heavy or it doesn't look like you have done something. I'm gonna highlight this face with this Wet n Wild highlighter. This is in the shade, okay, I forgot the shade. This one is, I guess, Precious Petals. Yeah, Precious Petals. It's very famous, so you can see I have used it also a lot. Okay, now I'm taking a brush. See, it gives very nice glow to your face. Some on my eyebrow bone also, just to enhance that. And now to complete this face, I am going to use a lipstick. And lipstick today I am going to use is Lakme 925 lipstick in the shade Rosy Sunday. I hope it is visible. Okay, this is in the shade Rosy Sunday. It's a everyday pink nude color. It's very pretty. Okay, so now our makeup is done. I'll just do my hair and then come back. So guys, I am back. I just parted my hairs and came back. I have not done much to my hairs today. So this is how my makeup looks today, guys. I hope you like this video, and if you like this one, then put a thumbs up button and do subscribe to my channel also, and push that notification bell also, so that you can get the notification whenever I upload the video. So see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.